We're back to Pompeii with a new group, mga kaibigan. Here we come. Here's Pompeii. Here's Lakay, Mom, and her two friends. And Lisa and Joanne.
I just have it on my phone. I mean, I have it on my phone.
What you guys think? They're digging their vaccine card. We need to show that before we go inside. We're taking slow this time. We're in the older group, including me.
Not yet.
Excuse me? Thank you.
My partner, she loves taking pictures. There you go. She's my partner today here in Pompeii. The tree is already gone. They're somewhere.
Buried.
Yeah. Me and Miss Joanne, we just take our time. There you go. We're just gonna meet the tree later. Lakay, Mom, and Lisa. Look at those two best friends forever. Look at how sweet they are. What do you think, Lisa, this place?
Hi.
Is it beautiful
It's
so far?
gorgeous.
It's gorgeous
Oh my
so
gosh.
far, yeah.
It's amazing.
This is the square here. There's some stuff on this along this side of the square, and there's another.
Look at those two beautiful ladies.
This after this is just streets with ruined houses. What you see. This is kind of.
They have matching bag. Oh, look at that. Matching haircut.
What? Matching bags.
Yeah, waist bag.
That's thanks
Yeah.
to Joan. And Lisa.
There, follow the tour guide, Lisa.
Follow the leader.
All right, follow the leader. Water break. Nauhaw ang aking mga turista. Oh. Uh-oh. I think Mom is getting naked. Oh, goodness. What you doing, Mom?
I am.
Uh-oh. Get hot.
Yeah, Roswell
Nainitan na si
forecast is inaccurate.
Mother. Here's ito, the turista. Mga turista.
Joe.
These may be the worst ones.
I don't think you can either.
Nakita nyo na ito noon yung sa first vlog ko ng Pompeii. Dinala lang namin dito ang aming mga bisita ulit. Ayan na ang aming mga turista. Si Lisa, oh. Patiently waiting. Patiently waiting for us. We're slow. Yeah, you guys go ahead. I'll wait for Miss Joanne here. You guys go.
Come on, babe. We don't have one with you in it.
Nope. Yep. Gaga.
Do a block or something.
We're waiting for the Miss Universe. Who are you taking pictures? The
Joan.
Miss Universe?
Joan, right there.
The two are left.
Got it.
She left us. Oh, she left us. They left us.
I told him to go for a walk. Huh? Not working?
I don't know if it's what the percentage of it. Maybe that's what it is.
Ang bait naman nila Kay. Nagsiserve ng tubig sa aming mga bisita. Ayan o. Mga pagod na yata. Hindi pa namin nakakalahati. Wala pa sa kalahati yung na ano nila, nalalakad nila. Iba na talaga pag tumatanda na tayo, no? Nagkakaedad na.